Welcome back, guys. No good trade setups today, which is fine, right? We don't have to trade every day to make money. So let's see for tomorrow, right? If there's one good trade setup, I will let you know. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button below, right? And turn on the notifications. Right? If not, you might just miss out that one good setup and a chance to make some quick money. So anyway, today let's talk about swing trading. So why do we do swing trading? Right? Why not we do something else like day trading? Isn't that better? Or even scalping, coming in and out within seconds, is that better? Or longer term investing, like oh, I don't want to look at the stock market every day. I just want to spend a few hours and look at the long term charts. So today I'm going to share with you 5 reasons, right? 5 reasons why I think swing trading is the best, is the most perfect trading style for you. So reason number one, swing trading is very focused on the charts, the price action, and mainly the technical analysis, which reflects the overall market sentiment, right, out there, right? So the focus is pretty narrow, right? You don't need a lot of specialized knowledge. Right? You don't need to know a lot of things to do technical analysis. You don't need to learn how balance sheets works. You don't need to know how to read profit and loss statements. Right? So all you really need to know are some basic understanding on the candlestick charts. You must know how to read and interpret the charts. I'm not saying that you get less things to learn. You get less things to learn than investing, right? Just the focus is very specific, right? There's a lot of things to learn. There's a lot of information that you need to digest, you need to understand. But all of this revolves around the same topic, right? Which is all technical analysis. So somehow it makes it easier to learn. So once you learn about a trading topic, right, it is very easy to relate and learn another related topic. So like how you learn to use stochastic indicator. Well, it will be really easy if you're going to learn how to use the CCI indicator. Right? More or less they are the same thing. They usually are represented the same way in the stock charts. Right, they are almost the same thing, right? That's the beauty about swing trading. It's very narrow. You just need to focus on technical analysis and not a lot of other stuff that you need to know. And of course, reason number two, swing trading saves a lot of time. So when you look at short-term trading like day trading, scalping, right? These are very time-intensive trading styles. So all this requires you to sit in front of your monitor to trade. If you don't sit in front of a monitor, if your trade goes wild, you can't react very quickly. You have to watch the market movements and things like that. And once you are off the screen, you are technically not making money and you're not trading. And that's really day trading or intraday kind of trading, that's scalping. But in swing trading, right, it gives you a lot more time, right? It saves you a lot more time, and that means you have more freedom. Right? So instead of monitoring the market, right, in swing trading, you only trade, you only screen for trades when the market is closed. So everything is static, the charts are all formed, everything is out there, right? So it will be like after the market or before the market opens, right? And you got around like 15 hours to do your trades, do your analysis. And you can do it anytime you want, right? The 15 hours, you just need to spend 30 minutes to look through your screener, screen for the trades, look at the value setups, and key in your trades. So compared with the 8 hours of staring at the screen, right, isn't swing trading a lot more easier and better? And you got the freedom and you can work, you can do a lot of other things, you can play, you can just do anything you want. Just dedicate 30 minutes a day, do your swing trading, screen the market, enter your orders, and you make money. And reason number three, given the very narrow focus, right? When we talk about the narrow focus, given the freedom, right, and the more time that you have, it's easy to swing trade. Right? Unlike day trading or scalping, you got literally no time to think. So once the candlesticks are formed, once the setup appears, you will want to jump in fast because you don't want to miss out that trade, right? There's very little time and to think about whether you should make that trade or not, right? Day trading is very intensive, when you make mistakes, if you somehow enter the wrong time, you enter the wrong amount, you got no time to correct it. So in fact, it is not easy, right? It's really not easy to day trade or scout. You need to be very, you need to master your skill very, very well. Right? I personally tried a few times. I just find that it's a bit too fast and too intensive, and you get easily excited, right? You get the FOMO syndrome, and managing psychology is a big challenge, right? So it doesn't happen on swing trading. Right? You got time to think about it, digest, you got time to study further, you got time to look at other stuff, look at other charts, and you decide whether you want to enter that trade or not. And not for on day trading or scalping, it's just too intensive and fast. And more importantly, if you won't feel that excited when you do swing trading, you don't need to monitor the market, and I think that's a much better way to trade. Right? You can manage your psychology. Psychology is very key in trading. Right? So you don't have to ride that kind of emotional roller coaster ups and down very quickly. Right? And reason number 4, compared to long-term or even medium-term investing, which usually lasts like from anywhere from 1 year to 5 years, 10 years, right? Swing trading gives you faster results. And you can quickly see whether your trades are doing well or not. You know very quickly if your system is working or your style is right for you. You know if you make mistakes, right? And you want to correct it fast. For long-term investing, it takes a long time to find out whether this is a good trade or not. Right? You'll take some time before you know whether it is a mistake that you have made. It may take some time, even more time before you see any kind of results. So for some of you may get very bored, right? You did so much work, you did so much analysis, but you don't see results after 2 to 3 years, right? So swing trading, I think, is a sweet spot between like long-term investing and day trading. Not too long and boring like long-term investing, but not too fast and too exciting for intraday trading. But again, like I said, all trading styles or investing are still good ways to make money. Right? It all boils down to your own style, your own expectations, and your own capability. So choose one, right? Choose one style and become good at it. And the last reason is risk control. Right? Swing trading gives you better risk control. Why? Because you take fewer trades in a given time. So less trade, less risk, right? You got time to stay away or avoid trades in bad market situations in swing trading. So unlike day trading or intraday trading, if you are trying to make like long trades in a bearish day, right, you are going to see a lot more losses, and the risk is a lot higher with day trading, right? Because they are all consolidating your trades on a particular day where a particular news might just affect everything else. Right? And at the same time, swing trading is like not too long, like long-term investing. And most long-term investing are almost like risk-free. Right? Because they are super long-term, you got time for the market to recover, you got time to react. But it takes longer to see results, and it takes much longer to make money. Right? So it's the same thing, right? Depending on your preferences. But swing trading, I think it is suitable for any trader or any investor to learn. Right? If you are a day trader, you can learn to slow down, you can see more consistent results in swing trading. Right? If you are an investor, you have to dedicate a little bit more work every day, and you can see gains in a shorter time. So that's really the beauty of swing trading. Right? It's the best of both worlds, in my opinion. So if you want to see swing trading in action, you want to see what is it like to become a swing trader, and you want to learn more about the mechanics of swing trading, right? How you do technical analysis, right? Make sure you click on the subscribe button below and follow my work. Right? Every trading day before the market open, whenever there are valid trade setups, you will see my trade of the day videos. Right? That's where I will show you how I look at the charts, right? How I analyze, right? How I enter the trade, or how I key in my entry orders, right, my exit orders. Right? It may be a win, it may be a loss, right? And I am not hiding anything, right? In trading, you just can't win all the time, right? You will definitely have losses. You have full access to my trade journal And there you can see all my past trades and learn from there. You can back test, you can test it out, right? Pretty cool. So that's for you, absolutely free, right? So what are you waiting for? Click on the button below and I will see you again very soon.